Question number 12 says W is greater than -5 on a number line. So, just so you guys can see, I'm going to write W greater than -5 on a number line. Now, two major ideas you have to know on this. Who can raise their hand and tell me, is this a open circle or filled in dot? First thing you have to know, felt bad. Somebody dominated their quiz. They drew every single graph the wrong way. They lost 8 points. But they know it. They know everything they're doing. And if I study with them for 15 seconds and give them the next hint after this one, they're going to have an A. So if you're that person that got a 12 out of 20 because you got 8 wrong on your graphs, relax. I'll show you in a minute. It's not that hard. Open circle, filled in dot, Mackenzie. Open. Open because it's not equal to it. It's close to it but not equal to it. So I'm going to go draw myself a large open circle at -5, sorry. Now, how do I know which direction it goes? Now, you can go the really hard math way of saying greater than. Everything greater than should be to the right. What's your dumb trick that works? We give you shortcuts once you understand things. Ethan. Perfect. That arrow's pointed to the right. Go to the right. Now, greater than means to the right. Less than means to the left. Now, if this is a greater than or equal to, fill in your dot. You fill in your dot when it contains a partial equal sign or an equal sign. So we'll leave that wide open. Now, let's go to question number 13 on the back. Flip it over. We'll do 13 and 14. And when I read the first question, it says, you must earn at least 70% to pass. Look at, what do we have to earn here to pass? What do you have to actually earn here to pass our district?
59.5.
59.5. You're very specific. Most people say 60, but 59.5 gets you a passing score. Here it says you must earn at least 70% to pass. Now, I've always said, default to money, you don't screw up. If somebody says I'm going to pay you at least $70, are you going to get 70 bucks?
No.
At least $70. You going to get 70 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you get more or less if they say at least? How many people say more? Well, my camera, I can't throw my camera that way, but I see a lot of hands up. It means greater than or equal to 70%, and let's put a G for grades. You can put X. You use whatever letter you want. Just don't use I or O. G is greater than or equal to 70%. Technically speaking, if you're using a computer generator, 169.5 probably will work. But we won't be that geeky. Next one. An average person should consume no more than. Okay, if I say I'm going to pay you no more than $20. No more than $20. That means $20 or less. That means less than or equal to. I default to money, then I go talk about what the question really wanted. An average person should consume no more than 2,200 calories per day. Less than or equal to 2,200. We'll put our X here. X, less than or equal to 2,200. Now, really outside the box question. How many answers work for that? How many answers actually work for that? Now, we've been talking using our mind and creating. Is this half the numbers of the entire universe? Or in this situation, when they're talking calories, it says you should consume less than or equal to 2,200. What's the least you can consume? What's the least you can consume for a day? Keely? Zero. That means you're really hungry. Yeah. Now, there are some instances we can use zeros, there's some instances we can't. This would be down to 0, and then you're done.